So for this video, I'm going to talk about the AWS CloudShell. We're in our main screen of the management console. You just go up here, click this, and it's CloudShell. Very similar to Azure, where it has its own little shell. And when it's done spitting up the environment, you can run commands in here instead of installing CLI on your local computer. You could just run the CloudShell directly from the portal. I'll come back when it's ready. So here it is, and you could do AWS, and it worked on the AWS version, and we have version 2 with CLI. So yeah, clear screen. So let's do what we did before AWS and in the previous video. I talked about the CLI list users, and notice how we didn't have to put in the security access, the access keys, the secret access key. We just went in it because it's just a terminal that's running in our portal, so all the security and everything's already configured, so it knows that we're running in a session in our root. So we have the David account user already made. And let's say you did list users and you put the attribute of region, and then you put US West 1. Well, you don't have to do that here in the CloudShell. You don't have to actually type that, because it just does it in whatever region you're in right now, which is US East 1. So that's why I was able to get that user that's in this region. So this CloudShell is a full repository. So if I do ls, we don't have anything, right? But if I do echo and I call it test, init test, and I call it demo.txt, right? Then let's print that to the screen. It's gonna find that file and output it test. So we did all that, then we do ls, and look, we have this file now. And even if we restart the CloudShell, that file is still going to be there. So let's just do that. Come back when it's ready. Alright, it's ready. So if I do ls, we still had a demo.txt file in it. And you could configure it, font size, safe paste, the theme, and there's also actions you can do. You can do tab. So you have these two. You can even split it into rows. So it's like you have 2 terminal sessions running, which is nice. You could download and upload files. You can split the columns. So it's cool. You could do a lot with it. So that's AWS CloudShell.